Hello and welcome to Turks and Jerps, where it's all drones all the time. Today we have a Loolinn Z3 foldable quadcopter. It features all of this. Check it out. Neat. Let's open it up. I have absolutely no experience with anything that flies. Quick start, how to fly. Zoom. Extra thingies, batteries, and little thingies. Before I forget, they told me to say this is a great drone for beginners or children. I am both. This is perfect. This is where you can keep your bag of chips closed. It's a chip clip. Two battery chargers. I don't know what these are. It's huge. I'm gonna throw this on the charger, install that app, read a little bit, and then we'll see what's next. Here goes nothing. Broken. That was entertaining, wasn't it? So I kinda mangled it. Probably shouldn't have been flying it near trees or buildings or whatever, but that just adds to the comedy. Warning, do not fly with broken or damaged rotors. May cause damage or lead to injury. I can vouch for that. I was attacked several times. I think I cut my arm. But anyway, it's cool. Does it make me want another drone? Probably not, but I will try to get better with this. I was a little disappointed. I thought it would have a bottom camera, so it'd be kind of cool for Smiggin's Folly footage, like overhead, but it's only got a forward facing little camera. I got some video. It's only 720, so I don't know how that came out. It might be all blurry because it was wet outside. But this is a cute little drone for children and beginners. In conclusion, drones are scary and I don't know how to fly them, but they're pretty good at trimming bushes. Okay, bye.